Okay, so in this first video tutorial, we're going to have a look at the absolute basics of how to get Tkinter up and running. And you only need a few lines of code to actually get a basic window appearing on the screen. To start off with, Tkinter is a module in Python. So what you need to do is you need to tell it to import the contents of the Tkinter library into Python, and then we can start working with it. The second thing that we're then going to do at the very bottom of our code is we're going to put something in called window.mainLoop, which I will explain more about very shortly, but essentially it allows the program to kind of function, and it allows it to run a Tkinter interface. This is going to go at the very bottom of the code, and we'll just comment that. And we're going to comment at the very top as well. Like so. Okay, so next up, if we give ourselves a bit of room, what we're going to do inside here is we're going to create a couple of things. The first is we're going to state what window is. So window is going to be where we place our objects on our screen, and we're going to say window is going to be equal to the TK aspects of the Tkinter module. What we're then going to do is we're going to give our window a title when it comes up, and I'm just going to set some values in here of 300 by 200. And sorry, I don't know why I put title. That's a silly mistake. Window.title in here is going to just say my first Tkinter program. And then it's going to be close off with speech marks. And then it's going to be window.geometry. And then in here, this is where we're going to place our window size. So we're going to do 300 by 200. Now, when we run this program, all that's going to appear on the screen is a there we go. It just takes a little while to load. Is the very basic window screen here, and this is where we're going to be able to create our objects. So for now, these are the three essential things we need to get Tkinter up and running. I'm just going to leave this with a comment here of set a screen called window. Give parameters, and that's it for the first video.